Imagine a production day where your wireless video just works. No dropouts, no scrambling to switch inputs when something fails. Introducing RFX, a tabletop or rack-mounted automatic video switching platform, purpose-built for the Teradek Bolt 4K, Bolt 6, or Ranger wireless systems. It's designed for one mission: to keep your picture clean, stable, and uninterrupted. RFX was born for long tracking shots, sports stadiums, concert venues, or any location, a hospital, an airport, etc., where heavy RF congestion can compromise a single wireless link. Here's how it works. RFX ingests up to 6 redundant feeds over SDI. Using built-in switching intelligence, it constantly evaluates signal quality and automatically selects the strongest and most stable one at any given time. The result, a single seamless output up to 12G SDI and HDR delivered straight to your monitor, switcher, or video system. One RFX is required per video feed. No manual switching, no guessing, no interruptions. Maintaining a flawless feed in complex RF environments is a constant battle. As a technical director, an AC, a DIT, or a video engineer, you're expected to deliver rock-solid signal integrity while dealing with tight budgets, limited crew, and growing technical demands. Both manual switching and automated failover systems exist, but are bulky, expensive, and labor-intensive. RFX intelligently automates the entire process from one rack-mounted box. It offers 6 12G SDI inputs and 2 12G SDI outputs for monitoring or routing to your switcher. For power users, you can also access a web interface via Ethernet or USB, allowing you to monitor video quality percentages with more detail. And then there's fiber. As your production scales, RFX scales with you. It can accept an SFP fiber module for video-only transmission, letting you daisy chain 2 or more RFX units together for longer distances, to offset your DIT cart, or to link distant video villages, all while maintaining total immunity to electrical interference. RFX delivers rock-solid reliability, even in brutal RF environments. It gives you maximum coverage, allowing cameras to move further with more confidence. You can increase efficiency and reduce costs by letting RFX handle the switching for you. Ready to reinforce your feed? Visit teradek.com/RFX to learn more.